Now, let's look at another work problem. In this case, we're going to have a tub that needs to be filled with water, and we have the hot water tap and the cold water tap. Notice that it says the hot water tap can fill the tub in 20 minutes. The cold water tap takes 15 minutes to fill the tub. How long would it take to fill the tub with one column which says time to fill the tub, then the rate at which each of the taps work, and then part of the job done by each of the taps. So we have that the hot water takes 20 minutes to fill the tub. Now, the question of the problem says how long would it take to fill the tub with both taps all open. So let's say let X to fill the tub with both taps open. Okay, that's called identifying the problem, and it's an important part of doing story problems. So we're going to say it takes X minutes to fill the tub when they're both open. The rate at which they work, the hot water fills the tub in 20 minutes, so in 1 minute of time, it'll do 1/20th of the job. They're working together X minutes, so the part of the job done by the hot water tap is going to be the number of minutes times the rate, so that is X/20th of the job. The part of the job done by the minutes that it's open times its rate, so X times 1/15th is X/15th of the job. So now we can get our equation together, and we can do it this way. Plus the part of the tub filled by the cold water tap tub of water. All right, so we know that the hot water does X/20th of the job. The cold water does X/15th. An equation involving rational expressions here, so now what we can do is to get a common denominator since we have fractions, and once we have the common denominator, we can solve for X. I'll let you find the lowest common denominator. If you do, you will find that it is 60 in this case. We'll take the 60, we'll multiply the left-hand side of the equation, and multiply this right-hand side of the equation by that as well. On the right-hand side, of course, we have a simple 60. On the left-hand side, however, we're going to distribute, so we'll have 60 multiplied by X/20ths plus 60 multiplied by X/15ths equals 60 on the right-hand side. Now, because it's a lowest common denominator, we can cancel the denominators. 20 goes into 60 3 times. 15 goes into 64 times, so we have 4x, and that equals a 60 on the right-hand side. 7x equals 60. 60 divided by 7, since 8 times 7 is 56, and we're going to have a 4 left over. So we're going to have 8 4/7. Now, x then is 8 4/7 minutes in for the variable. And it's a good idea to always check. All right, so this problem is done. Both taps will fill the tub in 8 4/7 minutes.